So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna scroll all the way to the very first
Oh,
picture.
Go for it.
Do you wanna do that?
Yeah, go.
Let's see. Hey guys, it's Yani here, and we're.
It's me as well in this channel. It's Yani and Fabio.
I thought you were gonna say.
No, it's Yani and Fabio. Can you redo the intro for me?
By the way, we're sick, so sorry. Hey guys, it's Yani here,
And Fabio.
and we're back with another video. Sorry, we just watched Morissette, and I'm so inspired to sing.
Beautiful video. Go ahead and watch that, please.
Today's video, as you can see by the title, we would like to rate Gazini's Instagram because she just won Binibining Pilipinas, and she won the title of Binibining Pilipinas Miss Universe Philippines
2019.
Okay, first of all, we've been reviewing all the contestants, right? Honestly, I did not see Gazini because there's so many of them. There are 40.
Yeah.
But at the coronation night, if you watch our reaction video, I said it myself. Gazini is gonna win this. It's obvious.
She was so stunning.
I called it myself.
So stunning.
She
But
was beyond.
even towards the end of the competition, at the beginning, I must say, I didn't notice her too much.
That's what I'm saying. The
But
beginning,
then,
right?
towards the end of the competition in general, showed her character and all the good things she has to offer.
Yes.
So,
What I'm like, Gazini, how at the coronation night, she stood out from the rest. Like everybody could agree. Everyone said, all the other vloggers on the internet said that she did not answer the question, but she stood out. This is my point. Like Miss Universe or Binibining Pilipinas will always pick the one that has the look of Miss Universe, and as you notice in the previous years, the ones who won are always high fashion now, and they always have the certain distinct look. I'm not saying the rest are ugly. Everyone's pretty, but Miss Universe is now looking for that magazine cover kind of thing, I think. And answering questions can always be taught. So
exactly. That's why we have Boya Bunda
Boya
at the end
Bunda
of
will
the
always
day.
teach, yes. So as you can see by the title, we're gonna be rating her Instagram. We're gonna see if she fits the mold because Catriona, she did a lot with her social media prior to Miss Universe competition. She released a lot of videos, documentary explaining her costumes and everything. And I think Miss Universe were watching that. And once you are crowned as the Miss Universe of that certain country, Miss Universe organization, I think, starts judging you like from the beginning.
Oh, absolutely.
Anyway, Gazini, today we are gonna tell you what to post and what not to post.
Okay, let's get right into the
kidding.
video. Perfect.
By the way, last announcement, we're gonna be in the Philippines March to June next year. So all companies, all celebrities, all our friends, all our YouTube friends, if you wanna collab with us, we are free from March to June. So we're gonna go wherever you are. We have a list of people to collab with already. So we're excited to meet a lot of other YouTubers because honestly, we haven't done any collab in this channel.
It would be super fun.
And
I just
obviously,
can't wait.
we are gonna do meet and greet.
Oh,
each city.
absolutely.
Follow our travel channel. If you haven't seen the announcement, we are gonna be traveling the world for a year. Follow our travel channel, link down below. Okay, so this is her profile.
This is Gazini CJ Ganados.
She only has 287,000 for now.
Followers.
But I feel like later when she becomes like...
Oh my gosh, she's gonna have millions. Just like Triona, when we started following her
When we
rated her Instagram, it was a few 100,000 and then it became millions.
Yes. First of all, her advocacy is elderly care. That's so
Elderly
sweet.
care advocate, which is beautiful.
You never really hear that. It's very
true.
rare.
That's true.
That's good.
I think it's one of the first one that we hear.
She's from Cebu City. She speaks Bisaya.
From Cebu.
I would love to meet her.
She speaks English too, so you can meet her no matter what. Okay?
I'm just saying.
And
Fabio's a bitch.
her
today.
profile picture is beautiful.
It's
Her
high
cover
fashion.
is very high fashion. She's giving me Filipina Audrey Hepburn.
Yeah, the profile picture is giving me Italian Vogue magazine.
Beautiful.
Very high fashion.
And let's see the latest post she put online.
Wow.
I see those wings that remind us the victory of her crown.
Look, I liked it.
I liked it too. That's actually my like.
Comment below if this gown is from the same designer as the coronation night gown. She won best
Seems
dress
like
that
it.
night. It seems like it because the pattern of the wings. And remember the pink dress that she won, she had like similar
gosh.
pattern, like Darna pattern.
And look at the chain that is going through from one bird to the other.
I'm curious about her schedule. I want to know like how
Gorgeous.
many times she has to glam out every day and do photo shoots. Like that must be tiring.
Probably they cram them all together.
So she posted some flowers picture.
Flowers, hibiscus to be precise.
Wow, Fabio knows his flowers. This one, I love this photo.
Me too.
Nude. It's very
Nude.
nice.
Peach dress with that belt that showcases her tiny waist.
She's getting
Oh my
skinnier
gosh.
and skinnier too. I feel like she's getting fitter for the competition.
Already was so fit. Oh
Wow.
my god, those like it looks like she's a bit lighter. Like her skin tone is a bit lighter, but that
Yeah,
could
she's
be
lighter.
anything too. Very natural, glowy.
She doesn't have makeup, does she? Maybe
Probably just a touch.
a BB cream. Maybe a BB cream.
Wow.
But I'm curious. Okay, so here's the thing, right? Here's my thing. We've seen the hair that is just falling down, long straight hair for Miss Universe pageant is very rampant in Miss Universe pageant. We've seen it in Miss Venezuela, Tamarind Green, South Africa last year. They had the hair as well. And she wore the same hair, just long straight hair during Binibining Pilipinas Coronation Night. So now I'm curious for Coronation Night Miss Universe, how is she gonna do with her hair? Maybe just like an updo or like
I think she's gonna wave it up. I want it wavy.
we haven't seen her with
I
wavy
want
though.
big waves.
Oh yeah, some photos have wavy, but I'm curious.
Anyways, let's go back to this picture. She's
Ponytail.
giving me very high fashion, masculine version.
I like that, yeah.
I love
masculine
it
vision.
very.
Look at look at the pattern. It's like the Filipino Catriona Gray pattern. Cute.
She's reading.
She loves to read.
She's reading Principle of
Wait, is she
Personal
showing her
Leadership.
reading or is she showing her nails? Because it looks.
I think she's showing that she's flying first class. That's all I can see.
I was just gonna say it's first class obviously because she has leg room, so we can.
Not like us, not even economy. We are getting shipped with the luggage.
We are hanging on the wings. On the wings. Oh my gosh.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh, by the way, Gazini and Shane Tormes are best friends.
Oh my gosh, that's
apparently.
amazing. I love her. I love Shane.
Okay, Gazini's lower lip, I've been meaning to say, it looks like there's filler. It's so fat, but I
So
don't think
plump.
it's plump, but I think it's natural.
I love
I
it.
think she's all natural.
I wish I had the lip.
She's too pretty. Her bone structure. Look, guys, she went to Boyabunda interview, but we couldn't find a video, so we wanted to react and watch it, but we only found like snippets of videos on YouTube, but we want like a
Yeah.
full video.
We want the full video. She looked amazing, by the way.
She does.
Look at here with the dress. Wow.
So that's the dress.
Preparation.
That's the best dress of the night. Wow. Let's watch her with bikini. We haven't seen that. Oh wow.
Wow, look at the crown.
She has beautiful face.
She's giving like very fierce. She's like, I want this.
She does look like Tamarind Green and Miss Venezuela combined.
Swimsuit. Oh, wow, Barbie.
Skin
Barbie doll.
tea.
I love actually this swimsuit. A bit high waist with this bra that is not really
I just love her
revealing.
face. I just love her face. Period.
Yeah.
Period.
Here's another swimsuit.
Oh,
Wow.
isn't that a yoga pose?
She fell. No, she fell and she was like, oh, I'm just gonna pose.
But look at the highlight on her cheek. Oh, okay. This photo reminds me of Catriona Gray. The face is almost similar. to
Very
Catriona.
similar. The nose, the highlight on the nose.
I wonder if other competition contestants from other countries are now scared of
Yeah.
Philippines again because we're sending a beautiful girl.
And this is the profile picture too. Gorge.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Oh, this one I love. I saw this. You know, I like all their photos.
Oh,
Do you follow her? You should follow
I do
her.
follow her.
But you never like her photos.
I love all the pictures.
I love all the photos.
Wow,
I
look
like
at this one. I like the light, the yellow light shining through.
Yes.
I wonder if it was a natural light or they were there with a lamp. Probably they were there with a lamp.
Fabio, you're so cheap. There's Photoshop now.
Oh, that's true. They can just do that.
Why are you so ratchet? Oh, look her in the gym.
Oh, she's working out. Gorge.
But why she gotta serve face every single thing she does? There's always face involved, like
Yeah.
or like if
She
she's eating
works out.
Jollibee fried chicken, it's
That's
face
I know.
everything.
That's how she is.
The red girl emoji, the dancing emoji.
Oh my gosh, she is.
She
Look
is
at
the
this
dancing
Spanish.
emoji.
Oh wow.
Oh, she does have that Spanish face. Eh?
Yeah.
I wonder if she's mixed.
I feel like she loves these flowers. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's always. And then she has this beautiful post that says, "I am a proud Filipina."
Aw, she is a Filipina. Oh, this one, I love this one. Just natural wavy. Oh,
Oh my gosh, she looks good even with
she's like a businesswoman.
pants and like more kind of manly clothes. I feel.
Is she sponsored by
Oh my
Jollibee?
gosh, she is the mascot of Jollibee. Before going to Bini Bini Filipina,
No,
she
no.
was the mascot.
Must go.
Oh my god, she was the bee.
No, Bob, you look at the comment, the caption. I don't remember the last time I had Jollibee, but I do remember one of the first times my mother brought me there whenever I excelled in school. So she doesn't eat Jollibee anymore.
She can't.
She can't because she needs to be skinny.
She can just sniff it.
I always like what she does to her hair. She does it like that. Like,
Yeah, because it's so straight.
it's long straight hair. It's very Miss Universe pageant. I think I see it already. I think she is gonna wear the hair at Miss Universe.
Probably. She looks very confident with this hairstyle.
And she can rock whatever color. Look at that.
Oh my god. I
she's
wonder
just
what
pretty.
color she's gonna pick for Miss Universe. Ooh, millennial.
Ooh. I'm just looking at the photo. We're just looking at the photos. We're so entertained by the
The
photos.
highlight though. Wow,
Wow.
she's wavy. Their ribbon is heavier than her head.
She seems very nice. If she's friends with Shane Tormes, and we know Shane Tormes is very friendly. Oh, she went to Malaysia. Is this Malaysia? Singapore. Is that Singapore? Singapore,
I-
right? Hi, Fasio.
Oh, I love the color of the dress.
Okay, so here's the thing. I want to change it up because when we do an Instagram raid, we only watch the beginning, and we know the beginning already because that's when her success is, and she's already beautiful. She got a team of makeup and art, hair and makeup, and everything. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna scroll all the way to the very first picture.
Go for it.
Do you wanna do that?
Yeah, go.
Let's see. She does.
What if she deleted it all?
She has 1,000 posts. No.
Oh,
there we go.
There we go.
We're going back to the days and days and days.
Oh my god, very first post of Gazini, Miss Philippines.
We just have to say that this is the worst time to do Instagram raid because Instagram right now is down. WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, I know.
None of the pictures are downloading. So, but anyway, we'll watch whatever we can.
Wow, this is a sunset.
It's a
She
sunrise.
added-
It's a sunrise.
Oh, sunrise?
She wakes up early.
A lot of vignette added to this.
Okay, I must say this is a very good picture.
Good picture, I like it.
I wonder what she uses as a camera, but camera don't matter when it comes to photography.
Yeah.
If you're a good photographer, you're
It's
a
all
good
about
photographer.
editing too.
She started November 1st, 2012.
Are you kidding me?
And she didn't post. Her next post was all the way in March 2013.
Oh,
so
wow.
almost
A year.
A year.
No,
not
6
really.
months.
6 months. But I wish we could view this. See, Instagram is not loading, so we're just gonna
Let's
watch.
see this one. Oh, it's never. Nothing's loading.
Oh, she's already
she's
training.
Training. Oh, so since the very beginning she was training already.
Yeah, I wonder what the caption is.
The beginning of her
Day 2, my very first fashion show. Oh,
wow.
she's been modeling already. Huh.
beautiful dog, beautiful cat.
She loves animals.
Beautiful bird.
Oh, Instagram, why you gotta do us like this?
Oh,
She loves nature, sunrise, sunset. I feel like she's traveled the world too.
she probably has. Wow.
She does look
looks
like a
good.
fashion model.
Mhm.
I think she wanted to be a fashion model first. So that's probably why she. Oh my god, this photo.
Wow. Bad editing, but nice
You're
idea.
right. Nice idea. I like the dress.
I like the pose and everything, not the editing.
Oh, wow, hair for days. Oh, I thought it was all her, but different
It
people.
was already a miss.
She was already a miss.
Miss World
Oh,
Philippines.
look at
Wow,
that.
wavy hair. She looks a bit different.
I think she still looks the same, but she's so pretty. She looks.
I mean,
younger,
obviously
think.
she grew. Oh wow, look how
Look
cute.
at that. She's been rocking the hair, the long straight hair.
She drinks Starbucks. Look, Starbucks
Makati
Bolero.
City. She loves the beaches.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did she compete before? Because this was the previous Miss Universe.
Oh, was she? It looks like it because one of the previous posts was Miss. It says Miss.
You think so?
I don't know. And that concludes today's video, guys. We really hope you enjoyed it. Today was our beautiful, amazing Gazini. We cannot wait to see you compete in Miss Universe. Rate your Instagram again. Rate your question and answer. Recreate that.
Yes.
Oh my god, stress.
I can't wait to see another interview with Boya Bunda during the question and answer.
Yes.
And I wonder what Boya Bunda thinks of her because Boya Bunda called that Katrina was gonna win. But I think she has high chance.
She probably really does.
In competitions like this that you are based upon your beauty, I think she has high chance. At least top 3.
We
I
just
think
need to
top
see
3.
who are the other competitors. That's all.
If you want us to make a video of comparing Gazini versus the world of the other contestant, comment down below. We would be happy to do so.
Yes.
But I'm curious. I really think Gazini has high chance. I know she's gonna make it to top 15, top 5, and top 3. I think. If not, she can win this again.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching.
Now we're gonna crawl in bed and recover.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
See you in Philippines next year. Subscribe to our travel channel. Bye.